Hi my friends, let's model the Part-066 wings support from my collection of 100 parts. The drawing will show us about this, but you have here a picture to see what is about. The part is relatively big. The drawing show 425 millimeters length, so this is why we have to take care with. But there is not any complication. There is a counterbore here on both, yes, both faces. Okay, let's start with this contour. Not all, the hatched one. Extrude and then mirror. Yes, this is a good strategy here. Let's start. I draw a rectangle with some proportion. I make this line center line. I place it on the center point, and now I apply the height of 100. You see the difference, yes? 135. Home. This is the real. 50 is this dimension, and 425 almost exactly is the other, fully constrained. And now we draw the contour, a circle of 70, 125, 165. The other are here, and we have to respect them. The circle of 70, line from here, another contour, trim. We trim all unnecessary lines without losing dimensions. Yes, 135 is still here. And now 20 is this, 15 here, 60 this, also this 60, parallel these two lines. 125 is this dimension, 125 is also this, and 165 is this one. The last is 275. Okay, fully constrained. This is the profile. I trim also this. I make this a normal line. I used it to create this symmetrical, and a split of these 2 points to have this as a construction line. Finish sketch, F6. The extrusion thickness is 75 and symmetrical because the part is symmetrical. Good. Extrude symmetrical on 75. Okay. Mirror this about this plane. Okay. You see, the main volume is finished. Now I see here a face, a wall with a thickness of 12.5, so I apply it by creating a sketch here, drawing a line, finish, extrude this area and the other direction of 12.5. Okay, you see? Now I apply mirror of this last volume about this plane XY, and you will see that everything is okay. Let's study these ribs. As you can see, they are placed at a distance from the face. What is the drawing? These 2 lines. The thickness is 12.5. You remember situation here. Okay. I create a plane at a distance of 75 minus 25, which is the mid, divided by 2. But the other direction, minus. Okay, this is the face. I project 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I draw 2 lines to the north quadrant of this circle. Finish sketch. And I extrude this area and this area on 12.5. Okay, visibility, and now again mirror, of course, of this last feature about the same plane XY. Okay, this is the construction. Okay, there are these fillets of 12.5 at every corner. Okay, And now holes. This is a counterbore hole, and I mirror it to obtain this. Yes? So dimensions are 50, 45. Hole, this face, this concentricity, 40 is this internal diameter, tab, all, okay, all, the large diameter is 50 and the depth is 5. Okay, you see, only one face. And now I mirror it, even if I double the central hole, this is not any problem. I mirror this, and the plane is the same x, y. You see what will be. Good. The last are that two holes of 25 at a distance of 350. This is the face. I draw a line, horizontal line of 350. I apply coincident to the midpoint with the center point, geometrical points at the end, and now hole, not counterbore, but 25 through. Okay. This is the part, my friends. Nothing else is to be added. Look here. Nothing else. Yes? Good. Material is the same steel cast. The aspect is also steel cast. And faces to be machined. This too, the inside, this also on the other side, and the bottom to be polished. I suppose this is a heavy object. Let's see. Not so heavy. 8.3 kilograms. That's all for the moment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.